Hello together, it's me Extruder, and today I just take a chance to change the front light. It's a low beam, it's a high beam, it's a still halogen. Here I will change to LED, and here my plan is change this LED to LED with lens. First of all, I have to disassemble the complete lamp block from the front plastic. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screw for one block. So I will protect the front glass with double side tape like this. Turn it back. In the garage a little bit cold, therefore I heated the polypropylene cover, especially these clips. It could be a little bit struggle. One side is okay, another side. Now it's done. Yeah, this is how it looks inside. Perfect. So this we keep like it is, no change, and we will working with this part, especially this reflector. First of all, we have to pull out the lamp. This lamp, it's good for high beam, but not so for low beam. I put it here. I will put it. Then we have to disassemble this one. Oops. Yeah, ready. So this was here. Yeah, and this two distance was here and here, so like this. I will put this lamp. It's a H4 mini LED lamp. Very good one. This looks like this. So you see, it's a lens here, and this lens working for low beam. For high beam working this, but in our case it doesn't matter. This crystal never work. So our task now, this lens should go inside, and you see its diameter not enough, so we have to make this hole bigger. Looks like metal, but it just looks like plastic, but heavy, very heavy. We will cut it with Dremel. I have like this, and try to do it with this diamond press. It's not the best one, but unfortunately I don't have the other one. Okay, and do it like this. Yeah, finally it fits. it will be like this. Yeah, unscrewing the radiator. Take this flange. It's standard flange. And then the system like bayonet. Yeah, issue is that it's not enough space. Usually lamp has this flange thinner, much thinner, and this is thick one, therefore doesn't want to work. So we have to also mill here and here for fixation. So we put the radiator on it. So actually that's all. Now we will assemble it. 3 from the side. Okay. For this one, like this. Yep. So the longest one, and then these two short. This one. We have to cover this, and we have to assemble high beam. For this I will use lamp like this. It's a good one for high beam, also with fan. For assemble we need this flange here, like this. Then this bayonet. So after milling I fix it. It will be not really easy to disassemble it, but actually I don't really want to do it. LED lamp should work long enough. Just cover them like this. So all hermetics in the glass should be clean, and should be implement new one. It should be assembled. For this should we put some silicone hermetic here and clip it with this clip. I will use automotive silicone hermetic also for lamp. Just fill out the groove. The groove should be filled nearly completely. Then wait about 10 minutes. The rest of silicone will be cutted after it hardened. As you see, it's a little bit more than needed, and it's not enough. For using this cover with a new LED lamp, this rubber should be cut a little bit here, and then plug it inside. Put the pocket inside. This cut, I will glue. You know that in stock in our scooter has just only low beam or high beam. Both together working when you push the button pass here. When engine start, work the low beam, then you could switch on to the high beam. Better if we switch on high beam, will be switched both low beam and high beam. Realize it in the stock halogen lamp. It's dangerous for magneto because the power both of this lamp will be 75 watts and left and right together it will be 150. It's a maximum power of our magneto. But in my case, when I already changed the lamp to LED, it makes sense to do this. For making this experiment, we have to switch on continuously low beam. You know, our scooter automatically switch on low beam when we start the engine and engine start to work. Just ignition, it's definitely not enough, but for this test, I don't want to start the engine in the garage. I have to somehow emulate situation when engine start. So responsible for this relay, it's located in this position. What you should do, just put these two contacts here, this and this, yeah, connected together. I do it through ampere meter, so also check what is the power I have in the lamp. So low beam, in my case, consumption about 1 ampere. The voltage right now it's 13.6 volt. It means the power about 15 watts. For switch on the high beam, I have to use the diode. So with this diode, it's possible to separate high beam and low beam. In case I put the voltage to the high beam, it will be also switch on low beam. When I switch only low beam, high beam doesn't work. So let's show you. Now it's a low beam. It's visible here with very good the light and dark border. Then switch on to the high beam. Consumption 2.7. Both lamp works, and how it looks now the light. So here it's a low beam and this is high beam, this and this triangle. Yes, triangle maybe it's not so good, but nevertheless without this low beam lamp it's really ugly. So both lamp, it's exactly what I'm looking for. Consumption 2.3 multiply 12 volts, it's about 35 watts. So it means 35 watts, it's a normal consumption of the only one of halogen in the stock. So both together, left and right, consumption will be about 70 watts. It's also acceptable, but light definitely better than in stock. close the halogen, open halogen, close LED, open LED, close LED, open LED, close halogen, open halogen. So finally it looks like this. It's a low beam, high beam. I just fixed them together. Then two sockets, diode between. It's a high beam, this is low beam. When high beam switch on, the positive signal come to low beam. After installation in the front panel, it's look like this. This soft, to avoid some noises. Fix it here. Then do the same with other side. So finally both side assembled in the plastic bezel, and now I will put it back to the scooter.